for long years, and I don't know where I've gone, but I'm awake now, so withdrawn, like pennies on the beach. King gives pawn, no one sheds a tear. Life goes on, and the world gets colder every year.
Morning, guys. Just waking up here on the side of Forest Service Road. Slept okay. It's fairly warm last night compared to what I've dealt with so far. So yeah, just breaking down camp, and looks like it's going to be another nice day. Probably pretty warm again, but I'll take it. So anyways, I'll get back to you in a bit. Beautiful morning. This first few hours, probably 3 hours, are going to be pretty crazy. So yeah, just thought I'd let you hear the sounds of the morning. Couple kilometers left until I get into Elko. All right, everyone, just signing off. Went from basically Yak River's Forest Service Road, which was where I ended up last night after leaving Creston. Not a bad spot. $15, no Wi-Fi or any of those silly little things, but anyways, I only have 30 kilometers to go tomorrow and I will be in Fernie, so I will see you in the morning. Just heading out from Elko. Heading for Fernie. I believe it's something around 30 kilometers. Looks like another nice day. It's gonna be hot though. Nice sign saying look out for bighorn sheep. Be a nice thing to see.
Make a little fire, pass a bottle round. Ain't no pants, so follow on the sound. Oh, I see you down there. You can tell she's friends, and they can never fly. It'll all be here when Jack and Jim arrive. And it'll be just us and the trees in a little fresh air. lights run down, gather up a crowd in an empty town. That's where the people speed up and the time slows down. Oh, I see you down there. And Sally pours a drink and the glasses raised high, wrote it on the wall.
I never went into Fernie from this direction. It's freaking beautiful. I don't know if the GoPro capture this moment, but the mist coming off the river there. It's the Elk River. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Mount Broadhead, Elk Valley Heritage Conservation Area. Good stuff. Alright, I just wanted to put new batteries in the GoPro. Cheerio. Mount Fernie looks much bigger than I remember.
Lay it on me, I'm listening. I got a good ear, come give it a bend. I could listen all day till you tell it to me. If I heard it before, then let me hear it again. While you let it out, I can take it in. When you got something to say, you can tell it to me. Say what you wanna, I will be listening. Say what you gotta, I will be listening. Simple thought that I'll tell you what. Some folks really don't listen much.
There it is, the official sign.
And I've sang a bunch and I've talked enough, so this is my time to listen up. Yeah. You got something to say, well go on, tell it to me. Say what you wanna, I will be listening. Say what you gotta, I will be listening. Tell it to me, I wanna hear tell me all about you, and I will be listening. I will be listening. I will be listening.
Well, had a wonderful stay in Fernie. Got caught up with a couple friends, did an impromptu hike, as you'll see in his first set of pictures, and really just had a good rest. Got the batteries recharged after a few hard days of riding. But like any other time, I found after a few days it was time to get back on the road, so that's what I did. Anyways, guys, from Fernie I travel up to Sparwood and then over into Alberta, so I hope you enjoy. Cheers.